Introducing the transformation of a legacy, the rebirth of excellence. Umoja Shoe Company Limited, formerly known as Umoja Rubber Product Limited, founded by the visionary Mr. Dilip Shah in 1978. Embracing change while holding onto our rich heritage, we step into a new era of quality craftsmanship and innovation. Join us on this remarkable journey as we stride forward with a new name, a new identity, and the same dedication to comfort and style that has defined us for decades. At the beginning of the program, Mr. Jamal and Mr. Gilbert prayed that future of Umoja would be filled with prosperity. Then Mr. Ashik Shah, chairman of Umoja Shoe Company Limited, gave his address to everyone.
Number one in Kenya.
Mr. Dilip Shah, founder of Umoja Shoe Company Limited, shared his journey with the Umoja family and also gave special tribute to long-time employee Mr. Ali Nard for his 45-year service at Umoja since 1978.
Good afternoon, how are you guys? This is Mr. Paras. I'm the director at Umoja Rubber, Umoja Shoe Company Limited now. We're celebrating our 45 years today, and the relaunch of the brand with the new logo, and that's the celebration going on. There's a lot of things happening in this company. So welcome to Umoja, guys. In 2019 we started out our journey in retail. Worst possible time because we were hit with COVID 2 months later. But here we are, 27 stores now, treading smoothly into the future. We've rebranded ourselves and we look forward to a very exciting new journey.
Mr. Jinal Shah, directors of Umoja Shoe Company Limited, express his sincere gratitude to all ex and present employee whose hard work bring Umoja at this position. Also give thanks to all business partners, suppliers, finances, community for their endless support.
Customers, government institutions, also our competitors, suppliers, finance institutions, and our community. We sincerely appreciate the good business relationship and your contributions towards the success of this business.
I joined Umoja as Managing Director in March, and thereafter we took the decision to rebrand the company. The reason for rebranding was to position ourselves better, offer more products to the customers and more service to the customer, variety of stores, better comfort. So we changed the name of the company from Umoja Rubber Products to Umoja Shoe Company Limited, and also we changed the logo in every place, in the factory, in the store, as well as in the B2B distributors. I see Umoja in next 5 years to be in a different level. It is not going to be only in Kenya, but also within Africa. Will be one of the major brands, and it will be footwear which will be loved by our customer.
Thank you to all to see my video. I hope you people all enjoy this video, and we believe that Umoja will be in next 5 years it become the giant footwear manufacturer company in East Africa. So from Kenya today, Asante Sana, and love you all. Love shoe, love Umoja. Bye.